Welcome to the fascinating world of forensic entomology, where insects become silent witnesses in criminal investigations. This unique branch of science uses the life cycles and behaviors of insects to help solve mysteries, especially those involving unexplained deaths. Forensic entomologists are called upon to analyze insect evidence at crime scenes, providing crucial information about the time and circumstances of death. In this video, we'll explore how these tiny creatures can reveal big secrets and why their role is so important in modern forensic science. Let's begin our journey into the world of bug detectives. Forensic entomology has a surprisingly long history, dating back centuries. The earliest recorded case comes from 13th century China, where an investigator used flies to identify a murder weapon. Over time, the field has evolved, with scientists developing more sophisticated methods to analyze insect evidence. Today, forensic entomology is recognized as a vital tool in criminal investigations worldwide. Understanding its roots helps us appreciate how far the science has come and the impact it continues to have on solving crimes. Its core, forensic entomology, is the study of insects and their developmental stages to assist in legal investigations. By examining the types of insects present on a body and their life cycles, experts can estimate the postmortem interval or the time since death. This information is often critical in homicide cases, helping to establish timelines and sometimes even pointing to the cause of death. Forensic entomologists work closely with law enforcement, bringing scientific expertise to the crime scene. Not all insects are useful in forensic investigations, but certain species play a key role. Blowflies, flesh flies, and beetles are among the most common insects found on decomposing bodies. Each species arrives at different stages of decomposition, and their presence can tell investigators a lot about the timeline of death. By identifying these insects and understanding their life cycles, forensic entomologists can piece together important clues. Blowflies are often the first insects to arrive at a body, sometimes within minutes of death. Their keen sense of smell draws them to decomposing tissue, where they lay eggs that quickly hatch into larvae. The development of these larvae is highly predictable, making blowflies invaluable in estimating the time of death. By studying the stage of blowfly larvae, forensic entomologists can provide a fairly accurate postmortem interval. Flesh flies are another important group in forensic entomology. Unlike blowflies, flesh flies deposit live larvae directly onto decomposing tissue. These larvae feed and grow rapidly, contributing to the breakdown of the body. By examining the size and stage of flesh fly larvae, experts can further refine their estimates of the postmortem interval. The presence of flesh flies can also indicate specific environmental conditions at the crime scene. As decomposition progresses, beetles become more prominent. These insects are often found feeding on dried tissue, hair, and even other insects. Their arrival marks a later stage in the decomposition process. By identifying the types of beetles present and their developmental stages, forensic entomologists can gain insights into how long a body has been exposed. Beetles help complete the cycle of decomposition, playing a vital role in nature and in forensic investigation. Understanding the life cycle of forensic insects is crucial. Most forensic insects go through four main stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Each stage has a predictable duration influenced by environmental factors like temperature and humidity. By collecting and analyzing insects from a crime scene, experts can determine which state they are in and estimate how long the body has been exposed. This scientific approach brings precision to forensic investigation. Collecting insect evidence at a crime scene is a delicate process. Forensic entomologists must carefully gather samples from the body and surrounding area, ensuring that all stages of insect development are represented. Proper collection techniques are essential to preserve the integrity of the evidence. Samples are then transported to the lab for further analysis, where they are identified and studied under controlled conditions. Once in the lab, insect samples are examined under microscopes and compared to reference collections. Experts identify the species in developmental stages, recording detailed observations. This analysis allows forensic entomologists to estimate the postmortem interval with greater accuracy. The process requires specialized knowledge and attention to detail, as even small differences in insect development can have a big impact on the investigation. One of the main goals of forensic entomology is to estimate the time of death. By analyzing the types and stages of insects present, experts can determine how long a body has been exposed. This information is often crucial in criminal investigations, helping to establish alibis and timelines. The accuracy of these estimates depends on careful collection and analysis of insect evidence, as well as a deep understanding of insect biology. Environmental conditions play a significant role in insect development. Temperature, humidity, and weather can all affect how quickly insects grow and reproduce. Forensic entomologists must take these factors into account when analyzing evidence. For example, insects develop faster in warm, humid environments and slower in cold, dry conditions. Accurate environmental data is essential for making reliable estimates in forensic cases. Let's look at a real-life example. In one famous case, forensic entomologists were able to determine the time of death by analyzing blowfly larvae found on a body. Their findings contradicted the suspect's alibi, leading to a breakthrough in the investigation. This case highlights the power of insect evidence and the importance of expert analysis in solving crimes. Forensic entomology continues to play a vital role in modern criminal justice. Despite its usefulness, forensic entomology faces several challenges. Insect development can vary due to environmental factors, and not all crime scenes provide ideal conditions for collecting evidence. Contamination, improper collection, and lack of expertise can all affect the accuracy of findings. Forensic entomologists must be meticulous in their work, constantly updating their knowledge and techniques to stay ahead of these challenges. Advancements in technology have greatly enhanced the field of forensic entomology. DNA analysis, digital imaging, and computer modeling allow for more precise identification and analysis of insect evidence. These tools help forensic entomologists make more accurate estimates and present stronger evidence in court. As technology continues to evolve, the field is likely to become even more reliable and effective. Becoming a forensic entomologist requires specialized training and education. Most professionals have backgrounds in biology, entomology, or forensic science. Advanced degrees and hands-on experience are essential for developing the skills needed to analyze insect evidence. Ongoing education is also important, as the field is constantly evolving with new research and techniques. Forensic entomologists often work closely with law enforcement agencies. They are called to crime scenes to collect and analyze insect evidence, and may also testify in court as expert witnesses. Their findings can be critical in solving cases and securing convictions. Collaboration between scientists and law enforcement is essential for the effective use of forensic entomology in criminal investigation. Court forensic entomologists present their findings and explain the significance of insect evidence. Their testimony can help juries understand complex scientific concepts and make informed decisions. Clear communication and credibility are essential, as the outcome of a case may depend on their expertise. Forensic entomologists must be prepared to answer challenging questions and defend their conclusions under scrutiny. Forensic entomology is not limited to individual cases. In mass disasters such as plane crashes or natural catastrophes, insect evidence can help identify victims and determine timelines. The ability to analyze multiple bodies in complex scenes makes forensic entomology a valuable tool in large-scale investigations. Experts must work efficiently and accurately under challenging conditions. Forensic entomology is also used in wildlife and environmental crime investigations. Insects can provide evidence in cases of illegal poaching, animal abuse, or environmental contamination. By analyzing insect activity, experts can determine the timing and circumstances of these crimes, helping to protect wildlife and enforce environmental laws. While insect evidence is powerful, it has its limitations. Factors such as body movement, burial, or chemical exposure can affect insect colonization and development. Forensic entomologists must consider these variables when interpreting evidence. Understanding the limitations of insect evidence is crucial for making accurate and reliable conclusions in forensic cases. Accurate record keeping is essential in forensic entomology. Detailed notes on insect collection, environmental conditions, and laboratory analysis ensure that evidence can be properly interpreted and defended in court. Good documentation also allows other experts to review and verify findings, adding credibility to the investigation. Forensic entomology is practiced around the world, with experts adapting their methods to local insect species and environmental conditions. International collaboration and research help improve techniques and share knowledge across borders. As the field grows, global standards are being developed to ensure consistency and reliability in forensic investigations. Several high-profile cases have showcased the value of forensic entomology. In one case, insect evidence helped exonerate a wrongfully accused suspect by proving the time of death was different than initially believed. These stories highlight the importance of scientific analysis and the impact it can have on justice. Forensic entomology continues to make headlines as new cases emerge. The future of forensic entomology looks promising, with ongoing research and technological advancements. New methods for analyzing insect DNA, improved imaging techniques, and better environmental monitoring are all on the horizon. As the field evolves, forensic entomologists will continue to play a vital role in solving crimes and advancing justice. Public awareness of forensic entomology is growing, thanks in part to media coverage and popular TV shows. As more people learn about the science behind insect evidence, there is greater appreciation for the work of forensic entomologists. Education and outreach are important for building trust and understanding between scientists and the public. Ethics play a significant role in forensic entomology. Experts must handle evidence with care and respect, ensuring that their work upholds the highest standards of integrity. Ethical considerations also extend to the treatment of victims and their families, as well as the responsible use of scientific findings in court. Forensic entomologists often collaborate with other forensic specialists, such as pathologists, toxicologists, and crime scene investigators. This teamwork ensures that all aspects of the case are thoroughly examined and that findings are integrated into a comprehensive investigation. Collaboration leads to more accurate and reliable results. Forensic entomology is increasingly being taught in universities and forensic science programs. Students learn about insect biology, evidence collection, and analysis techniques. Hands-on training and case studies prepare the next generation of forensic entomologists to tackle real-world challenges and contribute to the field. Insect succession refers to the predictable order in which different insect species colonize a decomposing body. By studying these patterns, forensic entomologists can estimate the time since death and reconstruct the sequence of events. Succession patterns are influenced by environmental factors and can vary between regions. Microclimate conditions, such as shade, moisture, and wind, can significantly affect insect activity at a crime scene. Forensic entomologists must carefully document these factors to ensure accurate analysis. Even small differences in microclimate can lead to variations in insect colonization and development. Types of insects found at urban crime scenes can differ from those in rural areas. Urban environments may have fewer species, while rural areas often support a wider variety of insects. Forensic entomologists must be familiar with local insect populations to make accurate assessments in different settings. Drugs and toxins in a body can affect insect development, sometimes speeding up or slowing down growth. Forensic entomologists must consider these factors when analyzing evidence. Toxicological analysis of insects can also provide clues about substances present in the body at the time of death. Bodies that are buried or submerged in water present unique challenges for forensic entomologists. Different insect species colonize these environments, and decomposition rates can vary. Specialized knowledge and techniques are required to analyze insect evidence in these cases and provide accurate estimates. Seasonal changes can greatly influence insect activity and development. Some species are only active during certain times of the year, while others may be present year-round. Forensic entomologists must account for seasonal variations when analyzing evidence and estimating the time of death. Maggots, or fly larvae, are among the most important insects in forensic entomology. Their rapid development and predictable life cycle make them excellent indicators of the postmortem interval. By studying maggot size and stage, experts can estimate how long a body has been exposed to the elements. DNA analysis of insects is a growing area in forensic entomology. By extracting and analyzing DNA from insect samples, experts can identify species with greater accuracy and even link insects to specific environments. This technology enhances the reliability of insect evidence in criminal investigations. Reference collections of insects are essential tools for forensic entomologists. These collections contain specimens of local species at various developmental stages, allowing experts to compare evidence from crime scenes. Maintaining accurate and up-to-date reference collections is crucial for reliable analysis. Forensic entomology has captured the public's imagination, appearing in books, movies, and television shows. These portrayals often highlight the dramatic and scientific aspects of the field, inspiring new generations of scientists and raising awareness about the importance of insect evidence in solving crimes. Forensic entomology has a global impact, contributing to justice systems around the world. International research and collaboration help improve techniques and ensure that insect evidence is used effectively in diverse legal systems. The field continues to grow, with new discoveries and applications emerging every year. Women have made significant contributions to forensic entomology, both as researchers and practitioners. Their work has advanced the field and inspired others to pursue careers in science. Diversity and inclusion are important for the continued growth and success of forensic entomology. Professional organizations support forensic entomologists by providing resources, training, and networking opportunities. These groups help set standards, promote research, and advocate for the field. Membership in professional organizations is valuable for staying current and connected in the world of forensic entomology. Forensic entomology also has applications in public health. Insects can be used to monitor disease outbreaks, track the spread of pathogens, and assess environmental health. The skills and knowledge of forensic entomologists contribute to a safer and healthier society. Forensic entomology is an exciting and rewarding field that inspires curiosity and discovery. By sharing knowledge and engaging with students, experts can encourage the next generation to pursue careers in science and make their own contributions to forensic investigations. Forensic entomology brings together science, investigation, and a deep understanding of nature to solve some of the most challenging mysteries. By studying insects, forensic entomologists provide crucial evidence that helps bring justice and closure to families. Their work is a testament to the power of observation, analysis, and scientific curiosity. As we've seen, even the smallest creatures can make a big difference in the pursuit of truth.